Man, if you're knee-deep in design deadlines, staring at a blank Canva canvas like it's mocking your entire career, Freepik might be that secret sauce, or just another pricey tease that leaves you with more questions than pixels. Before you commit your credit card to this creative carnival, smash that like button and subscribe. I'm about to unpack if this stock asset beast is your creative savior or a sneaky credit vampire sucking your wallet dry while you chase the perfect vector. Freepik kicked off back in 2010 as a humble hub for free vectors and photos. Think the Craigslist of graphics for broke college kids scraping together flyers. Fast forward to 2025, and it's leveled up into an AI powerhouse, boasting over 200 million assets. Icons that pop, stock videos for your TikTok thirst traps, PSD files for Photoshop wizards, and killer AI tools like Flux for image gen, Kling and Runway for video magic. You type a prompt like cat in a tuxedo at a disco, and boom, custom visuals from text or even rough sketches. The free plan's a solid teaser, 10 downloads a day with a shout-out attribution. Perfect for dabblers dipping their toes without drowning in fees. But let's be real. If you're serious, premium tiers, starting around $9 to $20 a month, unlock unlimited stock access, no attribution freedom, and commercial use rights, so you can slap those assets on merch without legal drama. It's trusted by heavy hitters like Google and Adobe Pros, and users swear it supercharges productivity. I went from design dinosaur to vector virtuoso overnight. Endless options for pennies. Now, for the funny flop that turns hype into headache, those AI credits, they evaporate faster than ice cream on a hot sidewalk. One measly 8-second video clip, that's 33% of your monthly allowance gone. Poof. Pros are out here yelling hidden fees like it's a bad plot twist in a heist movie. Throw in login loops that make you question your Wi-Fi's loyalty, support chats that feel like talking to a brick wall, or worse, a chatbot on vacation, and that unlimited downloads cap at 100 a day? It's like promising an all-you-can-eat buffet, but handing you a salad fork and a side-eye. Sure, it's legit overall, no major scam flags, high trust scores across the board, but reviews are a mixed bag. 4+ stars for the asset avalanche and AI sparks, but billing gripes and where'd my credits go rants drag it down to eye-roll territory. Verdict? If you're a casual creator hunting stock and quick AI sparks to jazz up social posts, dive in free and upgrade if it clicks. It's a game changer for budget hustles. But for heavy hitters churning out campaigns, beware the credit trap. Canva might feel less stingy with its straightforward vibes. Not a full-on scam, just sneaky enough to make you double-check your bank app. Head over to freepik.com and experiment. What's your wildest design hack fail? Like that time you turned a logo into a potato? Spill in the comments. Let's commiserate. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe.